A remouillage won't have as much flavor as a brown veal stock, but it's very useful in the kitchen. Very often it will be used to make sauces or stew for staff, or you can also use it in a stew that has a lot of flavor. You might not need a nice brown veal stock. For example, a beef bourguignon, there's so much red wine that a remouillage will be perfect, and you won't waste your brown veal stock to make nice sauces. To make a remouillage, you will need the strained solid ingredients from a brown veal stock, a mirepoix, a sliced leek, a bouquet garnish with lots of parsley stems, and some tomato paste. Take all the ingredients and transfer them into a clean pot. The mirepoix, the leek, the parsley, and the tomato paste. So to make a remouillage, it's very easy. Just put everything in the pot, cover with cold water. Bring your remouillage to a boil, turn down the heat to a low simmer, and cook it gently up to 6 hours. So our veal stock has reduced from here to there to be a demi-glace, and then from there to where it is now to become a glace de viande. So it's very condensed, full of flavor, wonderful.